team.
And welcome to another video on csgoroll. Today we have 420 coins in balance. Let's bet to 10 on green and 10 on bait. So we start with 400. Another day, another session, csgoroll. Let's see if we can get some nice profit. That's definitely not it. Let's go. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's like, I don't know. I'm like burning my balance way too fast. I mean, it's shared mode is a little bit more safe. But we're also not pulling anything, so maybe not a classic knife or the gloves. Oh, that's worse. Oh, okay. We take that, But we need way more. We need 700 impulse altogether. It's not looking good. Catch case, come on. Oh, that would have been amazing. Well, we don't even have 300 in balance anymore. Ooh, okay, let's go. 7 cases, expensive case battle, 3-way. Ooh, let's hope we win this. 5% sparks case. We miss. Oh my god. Come on. Nope. Stonks case could save us. Over? Nope. Well, I'm last at the moment. 3 more cases. Come on. Oh, the gloves, man. The fucking gloves. Chaos cases, I think, even worse. Is that something? No. Now give me the 5-7 and I'm happy. Give me... Yeah! Let's go, man. Ah, juicy, juicy juice. Good one, good one. Next battle, 120 coins, 12 cases. Good start. Ooh, you almost pulled it. And we had the Prince bait, man. Now the sneaky case con, a nice 50 coin pull. Nope. 10 coins, we take it. Flimsy case, also I think 5%. But I never pull on this case. More like 1% probably. Okay, they take the lead with that. Okay, decent. The M4 case. Yes, let's go. Do we have the lead now? Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. That one, man. Do we have the lead? I'm not sure. Yeah, I think so. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, 60. Holy shit. But the P90 would have been big. It's like not paying much right now. Let's hope everyone pulls now. Ooh, that's a lot. Oh, they have the lead now. Oh my god, how did they? Fuck me. Okay, another high risk battle. Let's hope it pays. Only 5% case. Now only flooded cases. Let's hope we pull huge. They pull already. We can beat it, but it's a good pull. I'm being honest. We need that slaughter. Oh, there it was. We need a huge pull. And if we do pull, it will pay crazy. 3 more cases. Come on, please. Nope. 2 more cases. Feels bad. Feels bad, man. Come on. Nope. I love it. Okay. The Nova, not too bad. Okay. The USB, holy shit. Sneaky case is not pulling lately, I don't know. The flimsy case never pulled, I don't know. Oh, finally, once in a lifetime, and it's not that much. 5%. That could have been huge. Tide rope, I never pulled topple in here. I'm not pulling shit. Okay. Case. Can we? Nope. Can I pull something maybe? I'm like hitting worst pull every time. Come on. Nope. This looks bad. 5-7 maybe. No 5-7. Looks very bad. Yes, okay. We still need way more. 5 cases. Daydream 5%. Let's hope someone pulls on here. That would be huge. Okay, 2 times the AK. That is like worst pull almost. Feels bad. Lemonade. Okay, 2 Hellfires. Still not paying. We need. Come on. Catch case. Okay, not enough. And now again 5-7 or the USB. Well, we lose money, but it's all right. It's not like we lost all. Okay, somehow. No pulls. Okay. And they pull. They pull. Give me that lightning strike. Ooh, thanks for the bait. Thanks for the bait. Thanks for the bait. Can we win? We can, but it's very hard. No, we can't. That's game, guys. It's GG. GG. Top pull is not enough. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Shit happens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day. I'm out.